video tutorial, you are going to see how to import an Excel sheet and how to convert the categorical variables into categorical variables, because normally in Excel sheets you would have given codes for the categorical data. So how to convert these codes back into a categorical variable? So that is what you are going to see in this important tutorial. So let us begin with importing the data set in the form of Excel sheet. Click import data set from Excel. So I'm going to import an example data set. Which is named as chi-square. Now we are going to see the preview. Yes. Okay. So here you can see the three variables: gender, year, and knowledge. They are all coded. Even though they are categorical variable, we are coding it in the Excel sheet, and that's what we have to do. We should not write the characters or strings in the Excel sheet. It has to be coded so that it can be imported into the RStudio and converted in the form of a categorical variable. But you cannot directly upload an Excel sheet with the string or character. It's very difficult to convert them as a categorical variable in the RStudio. It will show only as a character. So here you can see the option character will be there. So your variables, whatever is entered in the form of alphabets, will show only as categorical, only as character, but not as the categorical variable. Okay, so what you have to do is, now to start with, convert all this in the form of numeric, because it is in the numbers. Let us convert as numeric. Click this numeric. Okay, now your sheet is ready to import. I'm clicking the option import. Well, now your data has been imported. You have 350 observations with 3 variables. Now everything is in the form of code. Now we have to convert this into a categorical variable. So how to do this? Okay, so now let us open a script window. Just open, click RStudio and open the script window. Okay, now you have to use a function called factor to make them as a categorical variable. So now we have to go for 3 variables. All the 3 variables are categorical variables, but they are coded with numbers. So all the 3 variables you are supposed to convert in the form of a categorical variable. Okay, now let us go variable by variable. So let us start with the first variable called as gender. So you can go here and check. Okay, so we have gender, year, and knowledge. Okay, so gender. So before going to the variable name, first we have to type the data name. So here you can see the data name chi_square, which is there in the environment window. That's what it shows. Okay, so I just click this. Now I want the variable. So just click the dollar symbol. It shows the 3 options of the variable inside the chi-square file. So I want gender. Okay, now I want to convert this variable gender into a categorical variable. So just click the get sign, that is the lesser than symbol with a hyphen. So the chi-square gender variable gets. Okay, so here, as I said, we have to use a function called factor. So just start to type factor. You can see here the option factor appears. Right now, option factor has appeared. So here, first you have to enter the variable name, which you want to convert it as factor. Okay, so the variable name, so you have to again pick up the data name, then click the dollar symbol, then gender. So this is your variable name. You cannot type directly as gender. Please remember, you have to type first the data name, then dollar symbol. Automatically the available variables will come you have to select the variable which you want to convert it as factor. Now just type comma, and then you have to find out the levels, how many levels you have. So just start to type level, it will automatically come levels which is there in the factor function. Okay, levels is an argument, okay, under the function called factor. Okay, so how many levels we have? Only 2 levels, male and female. So 1 to 2. So the 2 can be denoted as colon symbol, 1 to 2. So these are the levels I have, then comma, then you have to label the levels. So again, a argument called labels, LAB. Okay, automatically the option appears. I just click the labels. Okay, so what are the labels I have? I have male and female, 2 names I have. So I have to use the function called C, that is combine C. Then open brackets. Now I am going to type the character. So whenever you start to type a character for the first time, you have to type in the inverted quote. So I have to type the inverted quote. Here you can see the inverted quote has appeared once I click it. And now inside this you have to type the name of the category. So 1 stands for male. Then come out, type comma, then go for the second, that is second one is female, 2. 2 is nothing but female. So I'm just again clicking the quotes and typing as female. Yes, now your program is ready to convert the gender into the form of a categorical variable. So now you have to just click the button run. Yes, here you can see at the console window, it shows that it has been successfully converted. Now let us go and check. Just I click the chi-square button. Oh, that's excellent. Now the code has been converted into a categorical variable. All the 1 has been changed as male and all the 2 has been changed as the female. Okay, now we want to convert the year. Year means the year of study. Okay, so again we'll try how to do this. So we'll go back to the script window. Now let us type the variable name, dollar symbol. Now we want to convert. So let us skip the year and go to the knowledge. Year also have 2 levels, final year and interns. So we just skip with that and we'll go for the knowledge, which has 4 categories. So we'll see how you can convert these 4 categories into a categorical variable. So I am selecting the knowledge from this example. Gets. So now factor. Click factor. Now enter the variable name. Chi-squared, the data name, dollar symbol, then knowledge. Okay, now levels. How many levels you have? You have 4 levels in this. So levels. So 1 to 4. As I told, the column symbol denotes 2. So 1 to 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now go to the labels. Okay. So now it appears labels. Okay, I have 4 categories into this data. So I need to use the function C, combine. Then click the open bracket button. Okay, now we have 4 categories, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the 1 stands for poor knowledge. Okay, so I type poor. Then I'm coming out from the quotes and then next one is average knowledge. Average, come out. The next is 3. 3 stands for good. good. And come out of the open quotes, then the final 4 stands for excellent knowledge. Excellent. Okay, now your program is ready, the arguments ready. Under the factor, the function factor, all your arguments are ready. Now you can just go and click the run button. Okay, now let us check the data. Yes, now your knowledge variable is also now converted as a categorical variable. So whatever, say the 4 has been converted as excellent, 3 has been converted as good. Similarly, all the variables, all the values in the variables have been converted into a categorical variable. Okay, so this is what you have to do. So whenever you enter the categorical variable in the Excel sheet, please enter in the form of a code. Don't type male, female, average, poor. All the strings and characters should be avoided. Always code it. Then import your Excel sheet inside the RStudio. Then convert this code into a categorical variable with the help of the function called factor. Okay, so in this video tutorial, you have seen how to convert the coded Excel sheet, the categorical variables, how to convert this code into a categorical variable inside the RStudio. Thank you.